2025 is my year of getting organized. I am tired of my house being a disaster, and we're starting today in the pantry. I am actually going to home edit my entire home. This is going to be an entire series, and today we're starting with a pantry. I hope that I give you some ideas, some inspiration, some motivation to get organized. And I do want to say today's video is inspired by LG Queen Home Decor and T. Beeson. They're some of my faves when it comes to organizing and getting the house together, so that's exactly what we're doing today. But I hope you walk away from today's video with some cleaning motivation, some aspirational organization, with some organization tips and ideas. But let's get into this ASMR organization. So the number one mistake I've made in the past when it comes to organizing is just buying random containers and not like thinking about the layout. So this time I measured, I thought about the things that I actually use. I, love those pretty like rainbow organization things, but that's just not us. I'm a big baker because I don't like to buy snacks out anymore. So I knew I had a lot of baking stuff, a lot of dry goods that I need to make work, and also a lot of baby formula. So I wanted to do a layout first, make sure everything made sense before throwing the stuff in there, because I normally get so frustrated and then the system doesn't work out and then it just looks horrible. And I wanted to make sure that I lit the pantry, because if I can't see what's in there, I don't know what's in there, and then I end up rebuying. So I literally took the lights from my nightstands and I put them in here where they could be a little bit more useful. And these are motion sensors, so they're only going to turn on when someone's actually in here. But do your best to remember the before. Here's a look at it, and here is the after. I'm obsessed with how this turned out. I'll let you know how I'm able to maintain it, but for the first time I can see everything. Everything has a place, and I think this is going to be super functional for us. If you want to shop any of the storage items I used today, I've linked them all down in my description box. But as I said, let me know what you thought of this video. If you like the organization, let me know, because I would love to make more. I'm gonna, do the organization anyway, but let me know if you want me to film it. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, have a beautiful day.